Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Alipearl. Now before I get started on all of the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Just showing you guys some of the items that came in the box. That is a little bag that you can store your unit in, an elastic band, and then also a wig cap. Now the unit I will be showing you guys today is your straight 370 wig. This one is 180% in density, 20 inches, medium wig cap size, and medium lace color. Now the advantages of having a 370 wig is pretty much like a 360 wig with a 13x6 area of parting space, because with your 360 wigs you only get about 4 inches of parting at the top, so you pretty much get an upgraded amount of parting space to play around with. You do get your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps, and you do get a pre-plucked hairline on this unit also. I already bleached my knots off of camera. I did feel like they needed to be bleached a little bit because they were a tiny bit dark, but I'm gonna go in and tint my lace. This has just been an easier method for me, and I'm still playing around with the colors. Now this is the new Ebin New York lace tint spray, and it does come in the colors light, medium, and dark. You can find them online for like $9.99 I believe, and it's just a quick and easier solution. I still do use my other Taylor Crowns tint spray, but I just feel like this one, it gives off a better color, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So just going to spray that in the front area of this unit so that it can blend a little bit better with my skin, and then I will be using my blow dryer to speed the process up. Now you do want to make sure that it is dried down very well, because if not, you can risk it transferring on your skin. This is what it is looking like now that the tinted spray is completely dried down. You guys see I did not spray the whole area. My main focus was only really the front of the hairline and making sure that the lace blended in well. I don't know guys, I really am feeling this tinted lace spray because I feel like the color just, it picks up really well, and I don't have to spray a whole bunch of coats on in order for it to show up. So I've been playing around with them, and I am really feeling the light warm brown and the medium brown. I would not purchase the dark brown again just because it is a little bit too dark for me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and comb out this hair. This is the silky texture once again, and then as you guys can see, this is a natural black color because of course it is picking up a little bit dark. So I'm going to work on cutting off the lace. Now as you guys can see, I did have to go ahead and cut off some of that excess lace by the top of my ear. I have a more detailed video coming up soon on cutting off that excess lace. And then you guys will notice, for some odd reason, the lace was a little bit longer on one side. I had to keep adjusting my wig because I thought my wig was not sitting right, but it was just that the lace was just really long on one side. So now I'm just working on cutting off the lace, and as you guys can see, everything is blending in very well. I was having a little bit of a hard area right at the start of the hairline. That lace is just not acting right, and you guys will see what I mean later on in the video. So to adhere this down today, I will be going ahead and using the Got to Be Free spray, and then of course I'm taking a rat tail comb and just making sure to press everything down, especially the very front of the lace. I don't want to have to worry about it rolling up, and then I will be using my blow dryer just to speed everything up. Now I am just going to work on the hairline a little bit. I'm going to pull out a little bit of hairs in the front, and then I'm going to cut them down, and yes, your girl is going to be doing some baby hairs. If you are not a fan of baby hairs, you can skip past this whole process, or if you just support your girl, just go ahead and finish watching the whole way through. But I do get comments all the time, oh, it look better without baby hairs, but I do try different styles that is going to cater to everybody, because there are some people who love them, there are some people who don't. I like to show you guys how to rock the wigs natural, without baby hairs and then with baby hairs. Now, of course, you guys know I don't like my baby hairs to look super thick, but the look that I was going for today, they are going to be just a slightly bit thicker, but not just doing too much. They're not going to be doing too much. It's still going to come off very clean. And to create the baby hairs today, I will be using my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam to lay that down. And then I will be swooping over a little bit of hair on the side also. I always say, make sure to take your time when you are working with your baby hairs. You have to have some patience. You just can't just slick them on around and then let them go. So especially if you are going for a certain look. So after I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to work on this middle part. Y'all know I be struggling trying to get that middle part together. It just never fails, but I'm going to get it right. You guys can see my wig cap just a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and fix that up also. So once I get it down, then I am going to hold that little piece of hair over on the side, stick in the front of the hairline, and then also by the parting space. And then I will be using my hot comb to just kind of sleek everything down to make sure that the wig is laying very, very flat, just because I am going to end up flat ironing this hair and I want it to look nice and sleek. I'm just going to go in with my Kaposi flat iron, and then I am going to work on straightening out this unit. Now, I did go ahead and add my Tresemme heat protecting spray on this wig before I even put it on, so don't forget to not skip that step when you are using any type of hot tools. Now, when I washed the hair after it air dried, I did have a slight wave pattern to it. That's because I kind of scrunched up the ends of the hair to get some of the excess water out. So if you scrunch up the ends of your hair, it will end up having a slight little wave pattern to it. So this is what the unit is looking like on that one side without me adding any heat to it. And then I'm going to go off camera and finish it, and that is what it is looking like now. Look how good it looks before I even add any more products to it. So now I'm just going to go in with my Sleek and Shine Serum. Of course, I feel like you all need this in your collection, especially if you have some straight units or you just want to put this in your hair to stop any type of frizziness. This definitely works. It is bae. So I'm going around my hairline with a little bit of my powder because in the little one section, I just felt like it was just looking a little bit dark. And then I'm going to go in and I'm only putting powder right here so that my wig cap won't be as noticeable. Like I said, the more I play around with the tint spray, then you guys will see that I will not have to use powder as much, but it's still new to me, so we're going to learn together. While I was happy with the way it was looking, I knew that I wanted a little bit of extra in the front. I just wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. So I was just trying to swoop over a little bit of hair, but then I realized I wanted it to come in the front area. So I ended up just taking a little bit of the hair and using my Got To Be Free spray, and then just taking out a little bit of section and just swooping it over. Like I said, I was just going for a certain look, especially with this oversized flannel shirt. I knew that I wanted some baby hairs in the front. So just lightly swooping over a little bit, and that free spray is just going to help lay it down even more. So now I'm just taking my hot comb and then just pressing it back a little bit more. And then guys, this is the final outcome, and I think it came all together so nice. This hair flat ironed very well. I didn't have any problems getting it straight. So the length on this unit once again is 20 inches that I am showing you right here, and I feel like it's a little bit longer, but once again I'm only 5'2", so everything seems to be just a slightly bit longer on me. You can get this unit all the way up to 26 inches, and it does start off at 10 inches. Also with the density on this unit, I feel like it's more on the 150% side, and then you don't get a lot of density at the top of the unit in the parting space area, which is nice because you don't have to worry about your unit not laying down flat. It did not take me a lot to get it to lay down. Also, the lace on the unit wasn't the softest lace, but it wasn't a hassle for me to get it to lay down. You just have to make sure that everything is blended. Base was on the lighter side. There are some areas that I could have covered up a little bit better, but like I said, with me playing around with this tint, I will get better with the coverage. Let me know what you think about this unit and if you are feeling it. You guys know I don't do a lot of the silky straight looks, but I really like this one. It wasn't a big hassle for me. It was very easy for me to put on and style. I did get a little bit of snags in the nape area, but I did not run across a lot of shedding. So if you are interested in this unit, guys, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below once again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.